Do you often find yourself acting sluggishly or sitting around all day? What if I told you that you could make money simply by doing nothing at all? I'm aware that this is absurd. What's even stranger is that it is 100% legitimate, and users from all across the world who have already used these apps can attest to their quality. If you use 5 applications, you will consistently get paid $600 each. The ability to withdraw money using a number of payment methods is the best feature. Of course, you can do this from just about anywhere in the world. The only things you require are your mobile phones and an internet connection. Thus, all you need to do to start making money is adhere to my clear instructions. Download the applications and create a free account. That's all there is to it. Enough already with the small talk. Let's begin immediately. We appreciate your presence. We'll talk about free apps that let you make money while you sleep in this episode. If you find this content helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Number 1. TV2.com. TV2.com is the first website on the list. This is a really simple concept that underlies the software. As soon as you click start the video and watch it, you can start making money. You may do this while using a smartphone or watching television for improved outcomes. Use a variety of devices to initiate and control the background playing films. If you want to maximize your ability to profit from this application, this action can now be done as you engage in enjoyable activities, study, or even sleep. Install the software on your devices. Then once it has been downloaded, open it on your phone or connect it to your TV, watch movies, and begin earning money. You can start making money by selecting from an almost unlimited number of movies and networks. Number 2. Karma.io. Next is the Karma.io app. As you can see, there are benefits to using applications to play games. Additionally, it is completely free. You automatically obtain 300 points when you download and install the software, which equates to the opportunity to earn $3, which is the reason you could be able to make money without working while being inactive. This is available for download to your devices. It is sufficient to simply log in every day. So, all you have to do is utilize the app to earn your daily rewards. You may increase your profits by using the software to unlock a variety of achievement badges, doubling or even tripling your present revenue. Another feature of App Karma is that you may refer friends and receive 30% of their earnings when you share or invite them. As a result, for example, if you recommend someone and they earn $100, you will instantly receive $30 in free money without doing anything. Then, all you have to do is download the Karma app. Despite the fact that the software is very simple to use, there are a variety of ways to gain money, such as through scratch-off cards, games, and other means. To receive your daily incentives, don't forget to log in each day. Number 3. CashForMinutes.com. The name of the third app is CashForMinutes.com. Using the software, you can make money just by listening to online radio programs. You can choose from weekly or monthly payments using bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards. They now provide weekly payouts in a variety of payment methods, so you might get your money every week. They can reach the entire world, as you can see below, for speedy payments. This app is thus available everywhere. Consequently, all you need is a smartphone and internet access. In essence, you must first sign up for a free account on Cash for Minutes. Simply set up a profile and link your phone number to this app to proceed. After that, he may start listening to different radio programs and start earning money. Another additional cash source for this app is by referring friends to it. Invite your friends and you will get 5% of their income. 1% of all earnings produced by those they introduce you to will also go to you. Your referral links will now be entered in the box below designated for comments. You are allowed to use each other's items in order to share in each other's profits. SlideJoy. Because this app will display advertisements on your phone, which is how SlideJoy earns money. You will be paid for doing absolutely nothing. There are several significant businesses that have used this software. You can see that SlideJoy will pay you with fictitious money. Use the app as your phone's lock screen after downloading it. You won't need to do anything else because they will already have the most recent trending news and engaging targeted advertisements shown on the home screen of your phone. Simply download the SlideJoy app to your phone to get started. Then keep on with your daily activities while employing your fantastic cash rewards or gift cards to swipe, unlock, utilize, and eventually redeem. Number 5. MoneySMSapp.com. We also MoneySMSapp.com, which is absolutely not the least of all of them. You can make money online by automatically receiving SMS that are generated by their system and users with the aid of the free Money SMS Android app. Unfortunately, this program can only be used on Android cell phones. This is useless on iOS devices. You'll start receiving SMS messages as soon as you install this software. Just ignore them and delete them. You can earn money passively with this software without doing anything. This app is also completely free. Both the first expense and any subsequent costs are free. A safe app is Money SMS. No other data is used by this program, and none of your private communications are read. Various payment methods are also available for cashing out. The finest feature is that you may withdraw your money in just 48 hours, which is quite speedy. Additionally, this app has a referral program that lets you suggest friends and earn 30% of their earnings. That's all there is to this video. Really? Your path to financial success is literally at your fingertips. So be sure to give these applications a shot and continue the hustling. Then, working together, we will succeed in completing this financial success trip. To help you reach your financial objectives, having a passive income stream can be quite helpful. The ability to achieve financial independence through having many passive income streams also let you retire early and pursue other interests. Nobody knew there were so many ways to truly make money while you sleep. Whoever said it couldn't be done, obviously. The inventive methods in which people can get paid to sleep continue despite the fact that things have unquestionably changed. To start earning money on the side or full-time, find the perfect applications from this video. Even though you won't become rich with these applications, you can still make a fair amount of side income or use them to cover your monthly cell phone cost. You can download one or more of these money-making apps on your smartphone to use while you travel or have some downtime, including market research apps, mobile advertising apps, and sharing economy apps. All money counts, after all. It's important to remember that among the research market money-making apps, you should be on the lookout for potential frauds that demand a fee to register. Avoid using these programs or overstate the prospective earnings. Read the customer reviews and reviewer ratings for the app. A dream come true would be to get paid to sleep. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.